Good morning, guys. I'm at my secret spot again. I brought a bunch of fucking noobs and shit. Today I brought both of my poles. Start off with the bait casting pole and my dual rig. So I'm gonna test it out, see what's up. And here we go. That's cool. Current's running. It's high tide.
Alex,
Fishing high tide going down. So we'll see.
I think you're pulling my shit. No,
I am not cool in pulling your shit.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's pretty muddy.
By the time you finish, one of us will catch one. Yeah, if there's a school. Oh, bitch, what you say?
Oh, look.
What the hell?
Oh, it's going on right now.
Oh. Oh, you
Hey,
bitch.
see that?
Oh,
Think it's probably
19
smacking.
right
No, let me see.
Yeah.
That's like a 19. That's yeah, 19.
Deeper, bitch.
One.
Too small.
Told y'all we don't poach. Oh.
Too small.
Damn, Jace, bro, what the fuck? Let's just fucking go over there with these motherfuckers. I'm about to cheat. Cheat. That's a little small one. I got the big ones. Alright. What's going on? 17. Yeah. Nah. Go measure it then. It's fat though. You better walk all the way to measure. I bet you right now, how much you want to bet?
This one?
Yeah.
I bet it's 18 over.
It's not. Go measure it.
You're a pro though, you gotta
Go measure it.
probably like 17 and a half.
Come on, compared to the size that you just caught earlier, the first one.
You know the pony I got? The skinnier?
Why don't you put, where's that measuring tape?
Oh, it's in my backpack over there.
Should've went to go get it.
Backpack at the truck. Why you got red and black
Yeah, boy. Not good though. So you do it small though. I'm on though. You know? It's small though. Like a 17. No, this one's bigger. This is a keeper right here.
Keeper, huh?
Keeper. Oh, 18 should look like. No, I don't know. It's about the same size as that one you just caught, fool.
Dude, why you buy your shit?
So this is 17. Get big. Oh man, that's just fucking
Yeah. Better one. Ooh. Wow.
small. I don't know.
Hopping. No, this
It's hopping.
looks good.
All on the top of the water.
Oh, got out.
For real? Yeah. To the right of Sean in the current.
Oh, came back. Jace came back. Oh, really? Same one?
Them dudes were here yesterday, I think. Oh shit. No, go under, nigga.
You good? You good? Still out there.
Yeah, cause that's gonna dive deeper.
Will it?
Yeah, so you should go over here in the harder current.
How big is that?
Oh no.
20?
Small. See, that's bigger than the one you. That's look.
Oh, oh. No. Oh! Keeper.
Nope. My drag's not pulling, dog.
Commentate this.
Probably 16, 17. It's fighting, but is my drag that tight? I doubt it.
30.
Usually when it's big, it'll pull my drag.
Nice.
Oh no, that's too.
How big?
Very small. Small one. It's not pulling my drag. My drag ain't that tight.
And it's a current too, huh?
I go a little bit. Might be at 18.
For that long, bro? Are you fucking around or?
Nah, I'll check my drag. I was a keeper. I'm keeping this bitch.
What the fuck? Throw it back, bitch.
Nope.
You little bitch, man.
Nope.
Oh, that's fucking 20, dude.
Wow.
That's fat.
Good size.
He said I'm being a little bitch on camera though. It's cool. It's a fat.
Take your fish right here. So did Jason.
It's weird. You cast like an inch farther than me,
Yeah.
and
like
it works over there though.
tail.
That's what Rob was doing. Yeah, and that too.
Lord, what are you doing over there?
Apparently,
Look at that
trying
nigga.
to
He's freaking. That's one of those things where you're good, man. I'm not taking that much back. 18. Woo!
I'm stuck.
Oh, fuck, man. Oh, shit.
I'll take us back.
Don't let it get over
I thought
there.
we had a double. Man.
Yeah, that's keeper.
That's okay. 18 or 17?
See how it's fat, bro?
Yeah, it's fat, bro. How much you think, Jay?
See that?
How
Man, I
big?
should have kept the scale. That's 18.
I have the thing here.
Cast one more before you get it out.
Yeah. Hit that shit.
Taking how long? $17, bro.
17. That 17, though.
1738.
$17.38.
Yeah. Let me get that 38, though. Better than there. 17.
For some reason, that green one hasn't been working, dude.
Switch, huh?
Yeah.
Use your white knot. Make your school bigger. Oh, bitch. No, where you at?
That's them all day, but hopefully this one stay on. They don't want me to leave. See, I was talking about leaving and they didn't want me to
I
leave.
know, you said last cast too, huh? Yeah, you said that shit like 5 times.
I did though, I ain't gonna lie. It's small though.
Good fight.
Probably 17.38.
Tall man.
Nah,
Hey, that one a little longer though.
nah, I'm gonna say,
Skinny though.
say same shit. I don't need it. It's 17. Nah, it might be 18 though.
You want to measure?
Yeah, let's measure it. I'm throwing it back anyways that way. We'll measure it for the viewers.
For the viewers. What not?
Tail, where's that the head?
Sweet.
Let me see. 18.
18 on the dot. But you can release
18.
it, let it get
I gotta
bigger.
let it go. It's not fat. If it was fat, I'd probably keep it. Psych.
Hella meat.
Now my 20 inch got hella meat on it.
Where is it?
Get back and get big, alright? Go ahead. Get big. Get big.
Pretty catch pretty far, right?
Oh yeah, finally.
Oh, what the fuck? He just hit the water.
See, bro, I'm telling you, the farther you cast, man, they out there.
I can't ask Alex if it's a good one because it's the first one.
I can't cast that far, man. That's hella gay.
Hey,
Can't tell.
how'd it feel, dog?
Shit, Alex.
Ah, man. It's the white one, bro.
Hey. Double, Alex! Double!
I didn't have that shit recorded.
Oh, you got a fat one,
Woo!
Alex.
Double!
Alex got
Oh,
a,
what the? No,
you got a fat
make
one.
sure you hold it.
Like
That
that.
was-
You got a
was
fat
good,
one. That's a
bro.
good one. That's probably 21.
Yeah, fat
What you doing?
dog.
Bring it up. It's gonna. Are you throwing it back?
No,
Oh.
no, he's
No,
not.
I'm
Hell,
going home soon.
He's lost, fool.
You going home soon?
Well, no.
You gotta work.
Two.
Double, no?
Hella tight.
Dude, I guess I didn't like the green one, huh?
Didn't I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tate told you, dog.
That's what I said.
This one's 17. This one's
That ain't good shit.
Shot, let me measure this shit.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say 21.
Him,
That's an 18. Oh no, I don't know.
like the 18.
He got one.
Who got one?
He got measure tape already.
This is like 19.
Let me see.
Oh, 2019?
It's on the ground. Yeah, it look 19 and a half. The ground is better though. To measure it. What is it?
17.
Damn.
18 powder.
I keep.
Sean.
Opportunist! Hop on shot spot!
I think Sean got on one though. Teach me, Sean.
Tail. You get to keep what you got. Everybody keep one and then fish for the big one, the second one.
I'm gonna say 19.
Ooh, rock. Chase. Bigger, it's bigger. Hey, deuce.
Straight ahead.
Yeah!
Alex and JC.
What?
Because of the same spot.
Put that shit in the bottom lip, Jay.
Oh, it's tight. I see it. That's stuck. It ain't coming out.
Light, it's not fat, it's just smooth.
Got one? You got one?
Small though, hella small.
they'll come out. Teach me. Yeah, that's pretty small. Alright, don't still got action. Bro, I think that's the smallest today.
No, we shot kind of smaller earlier, remember? Keeper? Fuck yeah! Oh, here, take that one. Fucking Jace, come here, look! What? You think this one too?
You do try to go over here, bro. It's just... Teach me. See it in the water though? How tight. Going against the current, that's why I feel how strong. It's a keeper though, but I mean I'm keeping it. Alright, that look like it's 19. Woo! Man. Keeper. Nah, it's
17.
18. Watch. I'm gonna get the measuring tape. JC hooking on to his second fish today.
In 5 minutes.
And it's probably another keeper. Crazy.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Ooh!
felt like it was
Oh, it came in. Oh, it came off.
But you saw it, right? It's
Yeah, it bit it. Go back down to the sucking step like you did earlier. Good. This right here. Damn. That's bigger than the first one. Oh shit, bro. You done for the day, bro. You done for today, sir.
Oh, Rock, again. Came back and got it.
You done for today.
Hey, Rock, by dragging you messed with it, right? Hey,
Done for today. All right. Shut up, nigga. Dang. Just trying to get on YouTube and shit.
Fuck off me then, nigga.
She trying to get on YouTube. You gotta finish waiting for JC. You gotta selfish. He didn't catch anything yet.
No, but I thought he brought it to line already.
Sheesh.
No, nothing. This is bigger, bro.
That's big, dude.
Seems big, bro. That's like a 1920. 20. 1920.
I'm gonna say 21.
It's fat, that's why.
I'm gonna say 21, 22. Look at that thing.
Get your bugger grip, Rob. Get your bugger grip.
Well, you or Alex, you guys got boots this way. Watch out for that rock right there, right? Right side, watch out. No, yeah, watch out for the right side.
I know, Sean. You should have went on the other way. What's the name went?
Huh?
Oh, it's gone.
Go.
Tail.
Oh,
It's recording.
oh. Rob, it should go. It should go. It should go. It should go. Hey, it came off. Watch out. It came off.
I saw. Hey, how's this?
21, 21, 22. I'll put your
No.
here.
Catch and release. Keep this. You're gonna...
Sean smacked again. Yeah, hella close. Look at him.
This is smaller though. This would be biting though. I think it's close. What the fuck though? Oh, I was looking at your lure. I was like, is that what is that? How big does that say?
18.
18, maybe,
Yeah, 18. 18, 19. Look at that. Killing it over here though. That's a little fat for 18 too.
Is it hooked good though?
Why don't you step down? You have dirty shoes on anyway. Step down and grab it. Don't do. Ooh, I wouldn't do that, dog.
Alex, what?
Son, I wouldn't do that.
Smaller guy? A little smaller.
It's skinny. Oh, that's somebody's fish right there. That jumped out. He's still there. Good shit though. Oh, I thought that went back, huh?
Yeah, I'll throw it back, but I just want to see how.
You want to see the size?
That's a 19, dog.
18. 18.
See what's up?
Catch and release.
Catch and release. Right here.
That's how we do it.
Let them grow some more.
Get big, brother.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
As long as we don't have it on us, you can't be like, oh, pin it on us.
Damn, Jace on again. Teach me.
Oh, you got him?
Rob comes on this side.
This one's smaller though.
Yeah.
It's not finding
Shaker.
Keep the tension on the pole. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, you fuckers.
Oh yeah, I don't know. It's fighting now.
Yeah, it's fine now. Feels good.
No, it's small.
No, 18, 19.
You're gonna throw it back.
Oh, Rob, what the fuck, man? Oh, hell no!
Double hookup. Hey, y'all.
Fucking bitch.
Yeah, Jace.
Hella small.
It's small. Damn, Rob and Jace got one. Yeah, that's like 17.
No, I'm fucking just reeling it. It's not even fighting at all.
Why you got my drag on so loose?
I didn't mess with this drag.
Oh, for real?
You know, Rob took this shit. It was you and Rob that didn't happen yet.
Rob came in and threw it over my head.
I'm 17 too. They're both 17. Rob just got hooked up again. Man, these fools are catching them and I can't even fish because stupid fishing game came by.
I hear you.
Scams.
Go pole.
I didn't say nothing about my pole.
Oh, you got the pole?
Yeah, fishing game came by and
I want to stop here though.
it looked deeper. 17. 17. Nah. That's bigger, Rob.
Measure?
Still think it's 17 though.
17
I'm gonna say 17. Put it down.
and a quarter.
I like it on the ground.
Oh, same shit. 17, dog. And a quarter on? 17.5.
And y'all come over here. I got the. Oh, he on. He on. Alex is on. I go over. Check it out. Hey, can y'all guys teach me how to fish like you guys, please? Cause you guys are so awesome.
How big is this one?
18.
18, baby!
No, more than that. It's bigger than that. It's like a 20. That's a 20.
Yeah, strong ass pole.
It's a 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Look how much it bend, bruh. It's not gonna break, bruh.
Nah, man, it's custom. What, bitch? What? Alex?
Damn, Rob, too.
Yeah!
That's it, Alex. Huh? No more for you.
Oh, shit. Hey, 19 right here, bud.
No more for you.
Feel it.
Guaranteed the other one around.
This is pretty good size, though, huh?
Yeah, it's chunky, dude. I like those ones.
All right.
Go over it. Go to the other side, left. Come on, Jace. Oh.
Wait.
He just don't want you to catch a fish, dog.
Damn,
He hating, though.
No, it's not even tight.
He's hating. He's hating.
Hey, well, that's just 20, bro.
Step down over there.
Maybe a 20. Yeah, I feel like it's
Might be bigger.
Go back down there.
Ooh, look at that. That's a fatty, dude. Should keep that. That's one you should keep right there.
Keep this one. Have I kept one yet? No.
No.
Ooh, 72.
Yeah. It's fat. Look at 21.
Yeah, you guys measure it earlier?
No, those ones. He just wanted to see the other ones to make sure.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah, you fucking it up.
17.
Fuck, Jace.
Damn, I sure threw my back.
Man, look at that guy. I would go over there and record you, but I'm busy. Sorry. Keep on casting with it. I'm almost done. Oh, that's a keeper right there, though.
I think it's 17.
Nah. I don't.